Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to create this super cute miniature dressing table. Isn't it looking very pretty along with the stool? And the color combination is very cute. I have added real mirror into this, so I will share how to create this from scratch along with the drawers which can open and you can put gift inside this, and also I will show you how to attach the mirrors, the sturdy base, legs, everything. And each and every part is completely handmade and made using papers. And this is a super cute matching stool. So I will show you both the things. And without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking one mount board piece which measures 10 by 9 centimeters. And from left side I have creased at 3.5 centimeters and 6.5 centimeters. Now taking my ruler and ball tool, I am just making the creases on these markings and then just folding it. Here I am making the base for the dressing table. Like this. Now to join this from left and right sides, we need one more panel which is 3.5 by 3 centimeters, and this is again the mount board piece. And to connect this, I am taking here these connectors. I am using pink color paper strips as a connector. These are 1 centimeter in width and the length should be as similar to the base. So I will cover this side completely using connector. And in the similar way I will add one more on this side. Now I am adding one more pink color long connector for the finishing touch, and this is covered completely like this. Then I am taking one pink color cardstock to create drawers which measures 10.1 by 9.1 centimeters, and from all 4 sides I have creased at 2.9 centimeters. So I am just chopping 4 corners, and before that I will crease it nicely on 2.9 centimeters. Then I will chop the corners and I will construct the box. And the drawer is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more drawer with the same measurements. So I'm just putting these drawers inside the slider to check whether it is perfectly fitting or not, and yes, it's good to go. Then I'm decorating my drawer using some pattern papers. This is the beautiful pattern paper by Dress My Craft called Dots and Stripes. All the supply links are given in the description box if you want to purchase anything. I have kept the back side as it is because first of all I am going to adhere the mirror to this. So I have cut one pink color round which is made using 3 centimeter radius, and I have kept one pink color strip as it is in the bottom so that we can connect it with the dressing table. And with the same measurements I have cut one mount board piece also which is covered using pink color craft paper from one side. Now I'm sticking both the parts together. Here I'm using mount board and cardboard, both the things, to give the strength to our mirror so that it will not fall and it will be stand sturdily and nicely. And then I'm just sticking it on back side of the dressing table, just measuring it from both the sides. It should be exactly in the center, and then just pushing it nicely, burnishing it very well using bone folder. And then at the end I'm just decorating the back side as well using pattern paper strip. So the base is completely ready and it will look like this. Then I'm taking my drawers and I'm decorating the drawers also using the pattern paper from same paper pack. Here I'm using the striped pattern in grey color. Grey goes very well with the pinks. Similarly, I have decorated the another drawer. Now I'm just putting back both the drawers inside the table and it's looking very beautiful. Then I will show you how to create legs. For this I am taking one strip of white color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. With the same procedure I have prepared 4 more tight coils. So we need total 5 tight coils for one leg. I am joining all 5 together and creating one long pipe. Then taking the polka dot pattern paper, which is having the same length, that is 2.5 centimeter, and sticking it around this pipe. Hold it for a few seconds and this is done. So all 4 legs are ready, which are made using same procedure. Now I'm sticking these legs on the bottom of the table. Like this, allow it to dry. It's dried. Now it's time to stick the mirror with this. This mirror is having 5 centimeter diameter. You can get it very easily from any craft store. And I'm just sticking it using my glue exactly in the center of this pink circle. Then to create the knobs of the drawer, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light pink color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Then I am taking half strip of white color in 2 mm and making one more tight coil. Then joining both the tight coils with each other. Similarly, I have prepared one more knob. Now taking one of the drawer and in the center I am adding one pink color strip just to create the dummy look of the door, like this. And on left and right side of this division I am going to add the knobs. And it will look like this, like a dummy door. And with the same process I have decorated the another drawer, and this time I have added the strip in the horizontal way and added the knobs on top and bottom. So the decoration is completely done. Then with the same procedure like the drawers, I have created one more box using pink color paper, and in the bottom of this I am adding one pink color cardstock to close this. Here I am making the stool for the dressing table set. And then decorating the sides using this pattern paper. Then to create legs, here I am taking half strip of white color in 5 mm, making one tight coil. Then I will just pass one pencil through this to create the cone shape. Just tapping the cone little bit from bottom to make it flat. And then filling this cone using glue. And similarly I have prepared 3 more legs, so legs are ready. Then at the seat portion I am adding one more pattern paper, that is the polka dot one. Then cutting the excess paper from bottom. And sticking 4 legs. So the stool is also ready like this, and the beautiful and super cute dressing table along with the stool are ready. So this is the part 1 where I have shown you the base, the drawers, the stool, everything. Now in the second part I will show you how to decorate this, how to create the miniature dressing table accessories, and you are going to enjoy that too. So don't miss out the second part. I have given link in description box for this, and you are going to enjoy that part very much. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.